Hi guys, so for today's video I thought I would do an unboxing and flip through of the latest book I just bought from Indigo, because one of my sisters just got me a gift card over the holidays, and of course what did I do but bought a painting book. So it's gonna be the Classical Painting Atelier by Juliette Aristides. So if you guys are new to my channel, you might not know that I actually consider Juliette Aristides as an art mentor, even though I've never met her, because I've used her books a lot in terms of my learning. I will link to the videos down below, my reviews of these two books, the Beginning Drawing Atelier and the Figure Drawing Atelier, because I did all the exercises in both books. And in terms of her other books, I also have the Lessons in Classical Drawing and Lessons in Classical Painting, which is actually one of the resources I'm currently using for my Atelier at Home series. So yeah, so I thought, why not get the other painting book that she has, just for more inspiration, really, especially these trying times that we're now living in. So you know, you can never have enough inspiration, I say. All right. What a lovely cover. All right, so now I will do a flip through with you guys. Okay, so I'll just read the contents. So, forward and an introduction. Chapter 1, historical and contemporary. Can you guys see? Contemporary studio practices. Chapter 2, composition. Chapter 3, value. Chapter 4, color. Chapter 5, the painter's process. Chapter 6, painting from life. Chapter 7, still life painting. Chapter 8, portrait painting. And Chapter 9, figure painting.